All right, this is Elmwood Car Sales. As you can see, everything we have on our lot is $9,995 or less. This is our 2007 Cadillac SRX V6, fully loaded. There's our VIN. Aftermarket tires. So they are winter tires. You don't have to worry about being set up for that, but the pressure sensor is not included with that. If you'd like to get them installed, you can do that. Power seats, power locks, power windows. That's your pressure sensor there, as it's indicating. The check engine light is from a misfire. We can have that looked at in the shop, not a problem. This is our Bose sound system / navigation. As you can see, there's your Bose. Climate control, front and back. Leather interior. Leather back, lots of room. Have a look at the side. It's in good condition. It's lovely, wonderful. Here's our trunk. It's your backup indicator right there. Lights will show up and indicate how far back you get. There's also a sound that will happen, the tone. Here's your storage. And so on. Let's have a look at the back. LED lights, of course. Okay, there's your SRX. Roof rack. Come on down, have a look. It's nice.